Alright, this pedigree is going to be looking at the characters of the Harry Potter series that have red hair versus the characters that do not have red hair. So if they are red-headed, you will see the boxes colored in, and this right here is just the identical twins within the movies. So if they are blank, as seen here, they're not red-headed, colored in, red-headed. Alright, so first looking off at the Y-linked, it is not Y-linked because, yes, we have a father that is affected. Their genotype has one X and one Y. According to these, yes, all the sons are affected. They have this genotype, so it checks out from here. However, if we look right here, we have a daughter. Her genotype is XX. In this case, there's no way she could ever have a Y to get this genotype. You can look at X-linked dominant. So in order to be X-linked, obviously you have to go off these sex chromosomes. So if we look here, Bill is affected. He must have a big R because it is a dominant trait. Flora is not. She has to have 2 little R's. We go down here to the first daughter. She's a girl, 2 X's. Since she's a girl, the Y does not matter in this situation. So let's bring this big R down. And let's bring one of these little R's because that's all she has to give. Well, this genotype should signify that she's affected, but she's not. Her genotype in reality should be this. This signifies she should have red hair, not. Alright, we're going to be looking now as to why it is not X-linked recessive. So if we look at this right here. So what we want to do here, we're still using our X chromosomes. So we know that Jenny's the mother, 2 X's. In order for this to be recessive, she must have 2 little R's. Harry should have a big R. He's not affected. If we go down here to James, he's XY. Harry gives him a Y. She only has a little R to give, but we said that this was X-linked recessive, so he should be affected. He's not in this case. So this signifies that it is not X-linked recessive. Alright, looking at autosomal dominant, this does add up throughout the entire pedigree, so we know that they have to have at least one big A in order to be affected. If they're not affected, they will have 2 small A's. If we look at autosomal recessive, which also works in this case, they have to have 2 little A's in order to be affected, and at least one big A in order to be unaffected.